Hey, yo, it's Mr. O and the Yummy Delicious Cooking Show. If you don't know how to cook, it's never too late, because today we're going to make some protein pancakes. And also, on top of that, they're going to be banana and blueberry, okay? And I also like to put cinnamon. With cinnamon, you always win. So, let's begin. I rhyme all the time, yo, I rhyme all the time. All right, so I'm gonna move quick. I already poured some virgin olive oil. It's better than butter, cholesterol purposes for your heart, right? You know heart health and all that. You learned that in school, right? So I already put that in, but olive oil cooks fast. It will start to burn. So I have it in, and now I'm gonna put this on low, okay? And then we're not gonna do the old school way, we're gonna do the new school way. This is instant pancake and waffle mix. And I already poured a little bit in here, right? But I just wanna show you for the purposes, see? I poured it in a bowl. Everything is clean. First I wash my hands, washy. I even washed my blueberries already. And you just mix it up in the mix. Try to get all the lumps out. Okay, no lumps. Okay, get all the lumps out. And then I washed my blueberries. So put some blueberries in. Okay, it's gonna be so good. Some blueberries. And now I want some banana. Now here's the trick to the banana. When you put the banana in the pancake mix, right? If you cut it too thickly, once you start frying or cooking the mix to make a pancake, the banana will like get in the way, and when you try to, at the end, turn the pancakes away, the pancake might break and all this, because the banana was just obtrusive. It was just too big. Obtrusive, you like that word? O-B-T-R-U-S-I-V-E. And why is this rug falling on me? It's not a rug, it's a cloth. So I'm gonna, can you see? I'll bring it closer. Get a nice cutting board. It's easy, it's better so you don't mess up in the oven's pan or the stove or the ceramic tile or whatever. Pretty good thin slices. I should actually do them thinner, but I'm kind of in a rush because I have to go to a business meeting. Yep, so I have that, and we're gonna put them in the mix. Okay, I'm not gonna put too many, because like I said, the pancakes will take over the mix. Okay. See? Yummy, delicious. It's gonna taste so good. I'm gonna mash it up. So those pancakes, I'm telling you, not the pancakes, the bananas will try to run things like a bully. So we're not gonna do that. That's not happening. I'm the teacher, I don't like bullies. Okay. And then cinnamon, you always win with the cinnamon and make it taste so good for your palate. Oh, I didn't take the paper off outside of cinnamon. It's a brand new bottle of cinnamon. So I'm gonna just cheat and do this. I can't have time to be taking the paper out. Put some cinnamon in. Yummy delicious. All righty. I think that's all we need. I turn this on with the olive oil. Because when that olive oil starts popping, you better back up. It's like a water, like firecrackers. So you have to move out the way. So while it's just warming up, I'm going to try the proportion. I'm gonna make it small. This is what happens. If I put 1 tablespoon in, it will spread out and be like the size of a cup. All right, and if you put the size of a cup, like a big circle, it's gonna get bigger. It always spreads. So I'm gonna make mini pancakes today, just for our purposes of showing you how easy it is. You hear that sizzle? I wish you could see this, but I only have 2 hands. So I'm putting these in. The hot olive oil is sizzling. Really delicious. Yummy, delicious in the building. Yummy, delicious. I'm fulfilling. So I ended up coming up with 1, 2, 3, 4 mini pancakes. I'll show you in the middle what's happening over here. And the best part is, kids, I like to lick the batter. Like to lick the batter. What's the matter? Like to lick the batter. What's all the chatter? I like to lick the batter. Whatever. That sounds like a song. Yummy delicious. All right. Let me show you what's going on. Oh, always need this tool. Spatula. All right. How to make banana pancakes 101. See that? They're cooking kind of quick. Let me see if it's hard enough for me to. Uh-oh, I need 2 hands, I think. I'm gonna do it this way. Oh no, look what I did. Ah! Turn it over. Yay. That was hard. I need this back. I need this time behind this for the friction. Oh no. They're gonna think I'm making. Well, hip hop started from necessity. So this is necessity, you know what I mean? Innovation comes from necessity. And I just say that because I'm trying to multitask. Flip it. I said flip it. I said flip it. So now I flipped it. I turned it around. One side is brown and the other side's gonna be brown too. And once the other side gets brown, and I make sure I keep poking, and nothing comes out this side, it's just like if you make a hamburger, you make a hamburger, you poke it and see if blood comes out. If blood comes out, it's not ready unless you want it medium rare. I haven't eaten hamburgers like that, but this is hamburgers, these are pancakes, and there you go. I'm gonna turn this off now. By the time I turn it off, these pancakes should be ready, okay? So that's how you make yummy, delicious pancakes. All right, and this is banana. Uh-oh, I just dropped something. Okay, no, I almost dropped it. This is banana. My yummy, delicious banana, blueberry, cinnamon pancakes. You want a lick? Psych. Well, one day I'll let you come over and I'll cook for you. But you gotta get straight A's and come with your parents and have the principal or all that or whatever. You know what I mean? You gotta be right and exact, okay? All right, your homie don't play that now. Mr. O don't play that either, all right? They sizzling still. One last look. I'm about to eat something. Let me see. Hello, how are you? How do you do? You looking mighty fine to me to eat up everything. Let me get a little fork. A little piece here. I have to test the product before I feed anyone. That's what I'm talking about. That's lit, yo. That's lit. All right, so now you know how to make the pancakes, right? Just rewind it, okay? Put some olive oil in the pan. Recapping. Put some olive oil in the pan. Don't let it get too hot. Put everything in a bowl, mix it up. That's the pancake mix. And the bananas and whatever you're gonna put in there. You can put apples, you can put whatever you want. Mix it up. But mix them, but cut them thin and mix them up and put them in. When it gets brown, you turn it around. When it gets brown, you turn it around. Okay? I gotta eat. Bon appetit. See you later. Maybe next week. Mr. O, the Hip Hop Teacher. Yo, check me out on YouTube at the Hip Hop Teacher. YouTube at the Hip Hop Teacher. TikTok, Mr. O, MISTER-O. See you later, yo. Mr. O, gotta go so I can flow and put this pancake in my mouth, yo. Peace.